Good morning, curry crew. We are back with a delicious, amazing, fantastic, scrumptious recipe that is super easy to make. It only takes about 15 minutes and you only have to use one pot. So, without any further ado, let's get to it. So guys, before we jump into this recipe, like always, make sure to like the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and also punch that notification bell. Now, this week we are back again in the kitchen with Mrs. T. She's going to share this delicious 15-minute one-pot recipe with you guys. So I'm not going to delay it any further. Let's get right to the video.
Good morning, curry crew. Today we are going to make Panchratan dal. You can call it mixed lentils. You can eat it with rice or roti, and I made it in slow cooker. So I just cooked the lentils overnight in a slow cooker. Here is how raw lentils look like. But I took 1 cup of 5 different kind of mixed lentils. You can find them mixed already in the Indian store, and I cooked them in a slow cooker. Now I am going to take 1 tablespoon of organic cow ghee, put it in a pan. Once the ghee warms up, I am going to add jeera or cumin seeds in it. Wait for them to crackle a bit. Add a pinch of hing powder, or you can call it asafoetida, and then add, we have already taken half onion, 2-3 cloves of garlic, 2-3 green chilies, ginger, and made them into a paste. So we are going to put that in. We just chop them in a chopper. Reduce the flame a bit. Along with that, I am putting in some clove in it and saute everything. Now I am going to add 1 tomato and let all this cook for a minute or 2 on a high flame. Now you see our tomato is completely like mashed, so that means it's cooked. I am going to add in dry masala. So first goes cumin and coriander powder, half a tablespoon. Then a pinch of red chili or paprika powder, a pinch of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and I took 1 teaspoon of salt, and I am going to taste it first before I add more. Mix this well, and now it's time to put in our cooked dal, which I had cooked it for overnight in the slow cooker. And if you see now, it smells so good here in the kitchen, and I'm sure if there was a technology where we can let you smell it, you would also love the smell, but unfortunately we don't have that technology right now. At the end, I'm going to add juice of half a lemon. Mix it well, let it cook, and while it cooks, what I have done, I want to make it thick. It's your choice. If you don't want to make it thick, you don't have to do this, but I like thick dals or thick lentils. So I have taken 1 spoon this size of besan or chickpea flour, and I'm going to add water to it. Make a nice paste, and we are going to add that paste in here. But before I add it, I'm going to pass it through a sieve because I don't want the lumps to go in. And as soon as I add the besan, I am going to start stirring it, because if you don't stir it, it forms lumps. And I am going to stir it and let it cook for like 10 minutes or so, and then our dal is done. So our dal smells so good, and yeah, you can serve it with rice or roti or paratha and some vegetable curry, and your meal is done. Normally what I do is, you are always supposed to have some protein, and I am a vegetarian, so I get my protein from beans and lentils. So at night I put some sort of beans or lentils in the slow cooker. In the morning they are already cooked, it saves me time, and then I just quickly make this along with my rice or roti, and I'm good to go. This is a quick dish for busy professionals or students who don't know how to cook. You can just buy some lentils from Indian store and cook them in overnight slow cooker. The slow cooker you can buy it from Target, Walmart, anywhere you want. But slow cookers are the easiest way to cook some dishes. So our dal is ready. It took like 5-6 minutes for it to thicken and cook, and it has been transformed from this to this. Enjoy.
So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. The kitchen smells so delicious right now. I can't wait to dig into this recipe, and I know you won't be able to wait either when you make it. So make sure you keep on cooking, and see you guys next time.